Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix server didn't register with DCOM error in Windows 11. First method is change function discovery resource publication service settings. Second method is change component services settings. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.